guys, and in this YouTube video today we're gonna be playing some Roblox. Let's go! And today in Roblox I found this game which was on my recommended, because whatever game I found on my recommended I just click on it. Well, this game is Don't Press the Button. Let's head on to it. I do not know what you do. Oh, what's with the music? Loaded. Don't press the button. Let's get on to it. I guess this is the button. Is this supposed to be an obby? I am awful at obbies. Huh? Ah! Oh. Okay. Well, what do you... I don't understand. Oh, when you click on the... Let me just check. Oh, coins! Yay! I got one. Oh. Oh, everyone died. I don't understand the game. Let's just click on... Quick, go to one of the corners. Closing in 7, 6, 5, 4. Just take away this leaderboard. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Let's try again. Oh, okay. Let's go yellow. Let's go yellow. Ooh, diamond. I love diamonds. Oh, that's double. Oh, Mr. Coin. Oh yeah, you can grab it. Oh. Let's go back to green, because I don't know. We're probably gonna lose this one. Come on. Oh, great job on surviving. Yes. Okay, let's just click on the button because we know the rules. Let me click on it. Score a goal with the soccer ball. Oh, attack! It's actually so hard to kick a ball in Roblox, because you're literally jumping on top of it. Oh. Come on, attack. We're all firing onto the ball. No one scored. Yeah, I can see that. Button! I clicked on it. Tsunami incoming. Oh my god, we better run. No! How do we get in here? Oh, I found a ladder. I think I know. Oh, tsunami! No! I should have ran all the way up there. Why are we constantly dying? Hello? Okay. Click on the button! Huh? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! What were we supposed to be doing? I'm on Sky. What are we supposed to be doing? Well, that's completely boring. Let me down. Hello? Okay. Oh, yes. Button! Oh, come on. Oh, I love the music. How are you so tall? Whoa, you are enormously tall. Okay. Oh, Oh my god, how many dogs? Oh, I just saw her flying. Button! Oh, that's not a good guy. Oh no. Oh, sword! Fight, 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 fight! I am awful at this. How did I die? Now I'm trapped in a cube. And it's tall one. Look, 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 you see it? You see the difference? She's even floating. Ah, fine. This is the guy who killed me. This guy. Here. Here he is. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1. Button! Button! How's he? Wait, what? Why is it on fire? You burnt it! You burnt it! Why? You burnt it, bro! What are you doing? You burnt it! The button's gonna explode! Guys! I'm in body parts. Oh, okay. Button! Watch out, boulders are coming. Oh, what? I don't get it. How did they not die? Quick, go to, oh yes, I'll go to yellow. Because I think it's a lucky color. Oh, why is it only that one? Let's go to green. Hello. Oh, okay. If we won there, then we would have been dead. Oh, one more time. I don't know about this one. Oh, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No! No! I would have made that last color. Alright, what do we got this time? I'm up for you. Okay. Oh, it's actual train. Is that it? Or yay. Okay. I just saw a house. Bro, what happens if you go into... Alright, who wants to go inside it? Oh, that's it. Isn't those the dogs? Yes, they are the dogs. They're falling. They're falling from the sky. Hello? There's so many of them. And that one's about to fall down. Whee! Oh, they're actually trying to roll. No, the last one. Get ready to flip your tables. Huh? What? How are we supposed to die like this? What are you supposed to do? Do you kill others with your table? What are you doing? Hello? Excuse me, can you little move? Oh, yes, button! Button! Yes, I gotta click on it. Lava is rising. Hurry. Get to the top. No! Okay. We better concentrate properly. What? Concentrate. Yay. We all died, didn't we? We all died. There's actually one more person. You got this. Oh. You died. Okay. That's all of us. Oh, money. Money! Run! Run for it! What do we got? What do we got? Oh, this isn't the one that we started off with. Parkour. Is it just regular parkour? Because I'm not that good at it, you can see that. We'll play one more round, and that'll end it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump, jump, jump. I haven't gone this far. Bro! Yo, 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 yo! Oh. Yay. Who wants to click on it? Explode? Someone? Spam the click. Oh, okay. We have to spam the button, that's what it said. Okay, I'm clicking on as hard as I can. It's just gonna show up as click buttons. Why are we spamming it? Time's up. Let's see what results are. The button has been pressed 113 times. 133 times. Yay! I think I did half of it. Score. Oh yes, we're trying to get a goal. Come on guys, let's get a goal. Oh. Come on. No! We're gonna lose the ball. What are you guys doing? Oh, we're gonna get a goal. Come on. 11, 10. Yes! 9, 8, 7. Yay. You missed it. Yay! We got one! Whoa! Well, unfortunately, that's it for today. Well, yeah, just like this video if you really enjoyed it, because I found out there's actually a second and a third one. So, oh, I died, but that's the end. There's a second and a third one. Like it, comment it if you want me to play that second one, and subscribe if you love the content that I've made. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Why am I waving? Okay, bye.